Want to launch your very own online store, but have zero experience? No worries, in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you step by step how to get started fast and easy. No coding, no inventory, no experience? Still possible. Thousands of people are starting online stores from their bedrooms, and you can too. First, choose what to sell. Start simple. Pick a niche like beauty, t-shirts, pet gear, or gaming accessories. Tip: use free tools like Google Trends or TikTok to find hot products. Next, build your store. Use platforms like Shopify or Zyro, Wix, even Etsy for handmade stuff. No tech skills needed, just drag, drop, done. Worried about stocking products? Use dropshipping. That means you sell, supplier ships it for you. Try apps like DSers or Spocket to connect with suppliers worldwide. Now let the world know. Start with free marketing. Post on Instagram, make fun TikToks, ask friends to share. You don't need ads, just creativity. You don't need to be a tech expert. You just need an idea, the right tools, and the courage to start. So what are you waiting for? Your online store journey begins today.